Lahat ng pumasok na pulis, hindi armado. Hindi armado.
Hindi armado.
Hindi armado. Hindi armado. Hindi armado. Hindi armado.
Hindi armado.
Lahat ng pumasok na pulis, hindi armado.
Number one, sinungaling. Number one, sinungaling.
Meron bang human rights violation kung maraming pulis? I don't think so. There's no... anyway, the reason we did this was so that we could maintain the peace. The only way to maintain the peace is to make sure that the area is safe and is secure. You go to any human rights advocate, there's nothing that we did. Walang baril, kahit isa. Walang baril, kahit isa.
Number one, sinungaling.
Hindi kami gumamit ng tear gas. Hindi kami gumamit ng tear gas. Hindi kami gumamit ng tear gas. Hindi kami gumamit ng tear gas.
Number one, sinungaling.
Wala kaming ginawang gano'n. So ano yung human rights violation?